Welcome to the channel. Lecture number 3. Components of a complete denture. It is important to have a thorough knowledge about the various parts of a complete denture. Before we discuss about the various procedure, a denture has 3 surface and 4 component parts. Surfaces of a complete denture. Intaglio surface. That portion of the denture surface which has its contour determined by the impress. The surface refers to the surface of the denture that will be in contact with the tissue when the denture is seated in the mouth. This surface is a negative replica of the tissue surface of the patient. Cameo surface, that portion of a surface of a denture which extends in an accusal direction from the border of the denture and include the palatal surface. Occlusal surface. This surface refers to the external surfaces of the lingual, buccal, labial flanges and the external palatal surface of the denture, that portion of the surface of the denture which make contact or near contact with the corresponding surface of the opposing denture. This surface refers to the occlusal surface of the denture teeth. It resembles the natural teeth and contains cusps and sluice ways to aid in mastication. Parts of the complete denture. The various parts of a CD are denture base, denture flange, denture border, denture teeth. Denture base. That part of a denture which rests on the oral mucosa into which teeth are attached. It is usually made in acrylic resin. In some cases, metal denture base are prepared. The denture base forms the foundation of the denture. Acrylic resin denture base. It is the most commonly used denture base material. It is easy to fabricate and economical. It is supplied as a powder polymer and a liquid monomer. Advantage: acrylic has a translucent pink color which closely resembles the gingiva. These dentures can be easily rebased as required in future. It is also available in various pigmented colors which can be used for characterization. The material is quite strong and CSN withstand normal occlusal forces. It cannot be used in thin section like a metal denture base. It does not transmit any heat, so the patient perception of the temperature of the food is decreased.